welcome back to the channel where we help fitness instructors, personal trainers, gyms, and studios to achieve high-quality live streaming classes.
Today we're going to be talking about in Zoom how we can optimize your video and your audio to get the best quality needed. Let's go ahead and jump right in.
Now let's talk about how to get high-quality video. Let's go to our video settings. Make sure you choose your right camera. For today's example, we're going to choose our FaceTime camera that is built in. Then video settings. There. Now we want to make sure we have high definition video, so you're going to enable it. Also, if you approach the camera often, make sure you enable the touch up my appearance. Might be like a little bit, it's not that much, but just in case. Now let's keep moving on. I like to turn off my camera when I join a meeting so I can make sure everything is set up properly. During my class, I hide non-video participants. That way, all the people that have their camera on can share all together in the screen.
Now, before we move on to the next part of the video, if you want to know how to keep improving your virtual fitness classes, then make sure you click on the link in our description box in the comment section below, because we have a free virtual fitness class assessment that will dive deeper on how to check the quality of your virtual fitness class. Again, make sure you click that link in the description box in the comment section below. Now with that out of the way, let's move right into the next tip on how to optimize your settings in Zoom. Okay, let's take a look at the audio portion of Zoom. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom left hand corner of the screen where we see this little microphone. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look in the settings. So we're going to click on that little arrow, and right above that arrow we have audio settings. Let's go right into there. Now it's going to bring us to our screen. Now within here we have a lot of different settings. So we're going to go from the top to the bottom. So here, if you do need to test out your speakers, you can easily test it out by clicking on test speakers. You can adjust your output volume. Right here you can see my audio level being loud and quiet. Green means good, red means over loud. Within this section, what we want to take a look at is all the different parameters that we can change. First thing that we see here is automatically adjust microphone volume. What does that mean? Well, if you're using your laptop as your default microphone, if you're speaking quietly, what it's going to do is it's going to automatically bring your volume louder so that way people can hear you. In this case, since we're usually listening to music and we have a whole system set up with a microphone, we don't want that to happen. So we're going to uncheck that. Nice. And let's move on to the next one. We have automatically join computer audio when joining a meeting. This is entirely up to you. I personally like to have it off so that way I can select everything. Mainly because when we join a meeting, we're usually joining about 10-15 minutes early so we can just play some background music. So I like to have mute my mic when joining a meeting. And if you do need, you could always press and hold the space key, which is your space bar, to temporarily unmute and mute yourself. I don't have a need for that. Maybe you do. And if you do want that, you can add that in. And let's take a look at advanced settings. Here, this is the moneymaker right now. Show in meeting options to enable original sound from microphone. What does that really mean? Well, if we hover over top, let's take a look at the option that it says. This will turn off audio enhancements such as echo cancellation and noise suppression. Now, what the heck does that mean? If we have it turned on, you can kind of see on my screen here, it says turn on original sound. We can click it to turn it off or on, or click on the little arrow to select our microphone. Okay, what does this mean? It means that when we have our original sound turned on, our automatic audio processing of noise cancellation, background noise suppression, and persistent background noise suppression is going to be turned off. That is what we want. If you have it turned off for original sound, it means it's going to automatically turn on your echo cancellation, automatically turn on your background noise suppression, and automatically turn on your persistent background noise suppression. I'm going to show a nice little flow chart that explains this because it kind of sounds a little confusing. You're going to see it right now. So if you have an audio interface that's being connected to your computer, you want to select, we want to turn on the original sound. So that way it turns off suppression, echo cancellation, and persistent noise suppression. So now with Zoom, with its latest update, now you know how to go into the settings and optimize the video for your own needs and your audio for your own needs.
While you wait for our next video, we always post videos about fitness, technology, and education.
Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you next week.